Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to Exam 360 Academy. So, today we are going to continue our answer writing session of Group 1 Mains Geography, Tspsc. So, let us start. So, today's question is, the pattern of Indian monsoons have been witnessing changes in the recent decade. Examine. So, ఇక్కడ pattern అని అడిగాడు. ఓకే, ఇండియన్ మాన్సూన్ ప్యాటర్న్ అంటే ఏంటి? The area's Indian monsoon pattern has been changing. What is this pattern? You see, generally we know that Western Ghats, okay, Western Ghats, comma, northeast, comma, foothills of the Himalayas, or we can say southern Himalayas, they are receiving more rainfall, and even, or I can say Indo-Gangetic plains, ఇవేంటి వర్షాలు ఎక్కువ పడే ఏరియా. అయితే రీసెంట్గా 1989 నుంచి 2019 వరకు డేటా తీసుకుంటే there is a decreasing trend in the rainfall like this. The rainfall has been decreasing. So, with the year and rainfall, if I draw these two things, then there is a decreasing trend in the rainfall like this. There is a decreasing trend over the year. There is a decreasing trend in the rainfall. And in the areas, this is a decreasing trend. But in the areas, some of the areas, if you look at some of the areas, like the areas like Gujarat, Central India, Rajasthan, Tamil Nadu, there is an increasing trend in the rainfall like this. There is an increasing trend in the rainfall. So, there is an increasing trend like this. So, over the years, so what is happening? Why this trend, this pattern is, this is your pattern, why this pattern is changing? Ade question ikkada. Enduku change avutundi? What are the reasons for the changing? That we have to answer. So, how will I begin my introduction part? You see, how will I begin my introduction part? See, mood rayali. Introduction. First introduction enti? Asalu what are the status? Give brief status on changing pattern of Indian monsoon. 1. Second, main body lo em rayali? Relationship between the monsoon and climate change. Pattern of the monsoon. How this pattern of the monsoons are changing with the climate change. Number 2. Then the way forward, which you need to write it. Okay, the way forward or the conclusion part. So I will begin with the answer like this. According to the recent studies of the IMD from the year 2018 or 1989 to 2019, the Indo-Gangetic plain and the northeast, there is a significant decrease in the rainfall. Southwest monsoons valla there is a significant decrease in the rainfall. Number 1, there is a significant decrease in the rainfall, and Gujarat, Tamil Nadu, Central India, there is a significant increase in the rainfall. Idi na introduction. Okay, aithe ippudu chudandi, enduku ila jarugutundi? Why this is happening? Okay, why the phenomena is like this? Okay, let us see this. Why the phenomena is like this? So, if I draw like this, right? So, this is a phenomenon. So, what will happen now? You see that the Central India is receiving more rainfall. Rajasthan is receiving more rainfall. Gujarat is receiving more rainfall, and even Tamil Nadu is receiving more rainfall. Tamil Nadu, I will come to the picture. But these three, I can say the first reason would be these low pressure sea surface temperatures. Sea surface temperatures. And these sea surface temperatures are increasing where? In the Arabian Sea. Arabian Sea, the sea surface temperatures are increasing. And why they are increasing? Because of the global warming. Global warming. Now, what will happen if this is a global warming is taking place? How the sea surface temperatures are rising, leading to, see, simple, I can say that it creates low pressure in the northern Arabian Sea, low pressure system, and this low pressure system will lead to this central India. One. And second is, see here, the extreme global warming has resulted in the warming of ocean temperatures in the northern Arabian Sea, which increase the moisture and large fluctuations of monsoonal winds. Am I clear? And also there is an increasing variability. You see, the frequency of low pressure system in Bay of Bengal has declined, leading to increased variability of the monsoons. Ante, see here, what happens? Bay of Bengal, which is known for high cyclonic phenomena, large cyclonic phenomena. What is happening here? Large cyclonic phenomena. Now there is a decrease because of global warming. Kani, I say that intensity is increasing. Here, intensity of these cyclones are increasing in Bay of Bengal. Amphan Tufan manam chusan. Amphan in the Bengal region. All these are your increasing phenomena. So what is happening here? And also the central India also receives the rainfall due to your jet streams, tropical easterly jet streams. Okay, these are tropical easterly jet streams. Okay, they are receiving rainfall. So here this is because of this phenomena, large cyclonic phenomena is decreasing, but intensity is increasing. So the rainfall has been decreased, right? Then heavy rainfall in central and western Ghats lead to land sea contracts due to the climate change has resulted in strengthening of cross equatorial sea. Okay, low pressure system gradient over Indian, resulting northward shift of the monsoonal westerlies. So because of your, what will happen? This cross equatorial, see here, cross equatorial annam. So what is this cross equatorial? Jet streams are increasing. If you look at here, this is your Africa. Okay, this is Africa, and here you have India, like this. Okay, this is your India, then this is your India. So what happens here? You see the low pressure system, because there is a strengthening of low pressure system, turf has been shifted. Okay, turf or monsoonal turf antam, trough, monsoonal trough has been shifted, and because of which more amount of moisture is collected and deposited here. That is the meaning. So as they are collecting, more amount of rainfall occurs. So strengthening of cross equatorial sea low pressure gradient over Indian Ocean, resulting northward shift of the monsoonal westerlies. And continued global warming is expected to reduce aerosol concentration in future. So aerosol concentration ante enti chudandi. If you see that aerosol concentration, if I explain aerosol concentration. So what will happen here in this case, that if the aerosols are increasing in this case, aerosols, what will happen? Suppose, look at here, if these aerosols are increasing in central India, aerosols are increasing because of your climate change, global warming, aerosols are increasing. Can I say the insolation which is there will be reduced? Yes or no? Insolation insolation which has to be reached on surface will be reduced, and if these are reduced, can I say that temperatures also reduce? Okay, the temperatures also reduces. If the temperature reduces, pressure also change, decreases or increases? If the temperature decreases, pressure increases. So there will be high pressure here and low pressure here. So there is a change in the pressure belt. That's why some of the regions are receiving low precipitation. Okay. And then one more, Tamil Nadu. Why that Tamil Nadu is receiving? It is because of the peculiarity or erratic natures of the monsoon, because of your La Nina. La Nina. Whenever La Nina occurs, you know, the northeast monsoons will be strengthened. And if they are strengthened, what will happen? More amount of moisture is collected from Bay of Bengal and deposited in Tamil Nadu. That's why Tamil Nadu is also receiving more amount of rainfall. So we can say that the pattern of your monsoons are changing in this case, right? So they are changing. So conclusion can be drawn like this. These studies assumes importance as impact of climate change is variability of the monsoons as high human loss in Indian economy, as vast majority of the people are dependent on monsoonal seasons, undertaking the shift and predicting the changing trends in the monsoons. Okay, so this is about your first question. So let us see the second question which is to be discussed. So second question, highlight the various causes of landslides in India. Okay, various causes of landslides in India. And first enti causes adigaru. Second, enumerate the measures that has to be taken towards effective management. And first part of the answer is causes. Second part of the answer is mitigations. Okay, mitigation or measures or solutions for it. Okay, so how do I begin this answer? You see, simple. How this first, I will begin the answer with the introduction of the landslides. So landslides are downward or outward movement of slopes material such as rock debris of the earth under the influence of the gravity. So what happens here? Over 12% of India land is susceptible to the landslides. 12% is susceptible to the landslides. Landslides are, this is my introduction, that is landslides are downward. Now let us see what are the causes here. You see, there will be two types of causes. I can say there are two types of causes. First cause is natural causes. Okay, natural causes and man-made causes. Natural causes. What are the natural causes here? I can say earthquakes are natural causes, volcanism or volcanic eruptions are natural causes. Eruptions are the natural causes. Yes or no? Right? These are the natural causes. Then also the other thing is about intensity of the rainfall. Right? Then what are the man-made causes? You see, what are the natural causes? Natural factors are earthquakes, the landslides prone Himalayan terrain belongs to the maximum earthquake prone zone, in which in any way susceptible for the landslides. That is, Himalayans are highly susceptible to landslides. Then intense or excess rainfall in any region is highly susceptible to the landslides due to build up water pressure between the soil layers due to prolonged rainfall or seepage. The soil becomes loose and easily they are attracted by the gravity and they fall. Right? Then you see, what are the man-made causes? Now what are the man-made causes? You see, the man-made causes are the increasing mining. I can say mining or quarrying. I can write mining or quarrying. Mining, quarrying. Or I can also say that because of the deforestation, mainly deforestation. Main thing is deforestation. Why? Because these are the trees. If you uproot the trees, the soil becomes loose and they are easily eroded under the gravity. Clear? This is one thing. See here, the increasing occurrence of landslides in ghats is due to extensive quarrying and illegal mining, slashed up hills, valleys, tourism where the structures are built on the slopes. Then deforestation, removal of vegetation from the slopes. Then interference with the drainage system, mainly interference. Ante, these are the river flow. What happened in Uttarakhand? What do? You start building, construction or infrastructural projects. Infrastructural projects are built. And when these projects are built, when these overflow increases, what will happen? It leads to landslides. Modification of slopes by constructions of railways, roads and buildings. These are the major causes. Okay. Then also, now what are the measures? See, we have seen the causes. Now what are the measures? Landslide hazardous zone mapping. Okay. Rondo, real-time monitoring for development of an early warning system. Okay. Construction should be avoided in landslide prone areas. Then setting up of institutional mechanism for generating awareness, preparedness around the landslide hazard among the various stakeholders. That is your awareness. Awareness has to be created. Then establishment of autonomous national center for landslide research, studies and management. Okay. So this is your one thing. Then conclusion you can write. Government has also taken various steps for mitigation the effects of landslides, natural disaster management guidelines on landslides, real-time landsliding warning system set up in Sikkim, Darjeeling belt, etc. So this is your conclusion, right? So this is your answer regarding the landslides. So thank you one and all.